What does it mean to you to get into the All-Stars team?
It means that I improved so much that I've been selected to this circle of people who are really good, so it means really a lot.
I feel really good about it. It means that my hard work has paid off. I work really hard for this, and I love the jersey and I will wear it everywhere.
I feel honored. I think it was a very unique and special opportunity for me to compete with other members of the community. And yeah, I hope I get picked again, so I can play again. It was pretty fun and a special occasion.
It means that my hard work has paid off.
It means new motivation for the upcoming season. It just makes me more motivated to train and work harder for future.
How do you feel about wearing BC gear?
I'm very proud of myself. I can wear this gear.
These shirts, I feel awesome. It's very quality material. I love it.
I think it's amazing. I really like it, and I think I will use it every time I have a chance.
I feel amazing. It's very good quality, and I feel really light and swag. Thank you. Where are you going to wear the jersey?
On practice and in bed.
I'm gonna wear it everywhere. How do you feel about BC providing the gear?
I think that's great, and it's not my first BC gear, so it's awesome.
Very professional.
I feel honored and I did not expect it. It feels really great.
I have more swag now.